first login module for the employee project management system, which contains the login ID, password fields, and the login type. Now, one will log in to the project management system as the administrator or an employee. Now, this login ID and password are protected by MD5 encryption, which enables the password to be decoded into another character so that the hacker may not get the password back. Now, once we use the administrator type, we log in to this as abhinav, which is the administrator here, and the password abhi123 followed. So once we log in, now we see the welcome administrator module, which is the main module for the administrator. Now, an administrator of the project, what he may do? What he may do is he may add an employee. There is the add employee, his personal details. He may update an employee's information like this. He may delete an employee from the database. He may view personal information for the employee which are not updated here in the database. He may view some personal information of that employee which are updated here in the update employee information. Now, once everything about the employee is over, we get to the project wizard. Now the project wizard keeps tracks of all the projects which are going on or which have to be added. Now once you have to add a project, you have the add project window. Now you may add the project here. The project number comes in progression, because if there are 13 projects, it will automatically give the 14. Then project name in this field, department, duration. There are various departments like software, hardware, and networking. The duration, 1 month, 2 months, 7 months respectively. The description, one may write anything like ABC or the description here, and then submit. Then update project information about any project, the project ID, name, duration, description, followed by update button. Then delete a project. If he wants to, one has to just enter the project ID, because once you enter the project ID, after that the database automatically, the backend automatically gives the name, department, and the duration and the description if you want to give any, and may click the delete option in case to delete a project. View project information gives information of each and every project which is going on in the company, the department related to it, the duration it was introduced on or it was introduced to, the status allotted to, the days which are left, and those who are submitted, and the dates on which it was submitted. Then there is a submit project panel. We have 4 titles here, so you can submit the project here and then click submit. The project ID is entered here. You can allocate a project using the allocate panel, which contains the IDs, names, departments, durations requested by, and allotted to. You can enter the employee ID project. Now you can allocate a panel here by entering 2 projects. So this is the allocate project, and moving on, there is search for employees or projects. You can search for employees, you can search for projects. So easily it comes off the new window which shows the projects, keeps tracks of the projects. And there is a general wizard which shows messages if there are any. For the administrator, the history, which he keeps the history, he keeps the track of the history. He may change his password and he may log out, as we are going to do. So once we come out of the administrator page, we get to the employee. So here is the employee ID, sorry, and here is the password, which is 123, and you have to select the employee. Once you log in, you get the name with welcome, and you get the employee project management system module for an employee. So here is the employee ID, here is the employee name, the department, search for projects of your department, each and every project which is going on in your department, the general wizard, the same as that of administrator, your personal information. You can view your personal information, you can update your personal information, you can view some allotted projects, and then you can view messages and compose messages. Here are those. You can view messages and compose messages to the administrator. You can view allotted projects which have been allotted to you. You can check new projects if there are any decided by the panel, which we did in the administrator. You can update your personal information like this. You can view your personal information. Yes, he has not added his personal information in the database. So this is for the project employee project management system for an employee. So once we log out, And we see here that this is a forgot password button. If you forget your password, then you may get a new one from the administrator by sending him an email. So this is the about the project, and here are the copyrights at the rate 2016 Abhinav Bishnoy, my name. So this is the project on login employee project management system. Thank you very much.